We're in Eureka, California. So this is a new one for us. We're at a mall, and this mall has a Walmart. So we've decided to call it Mallmart.
That's my idea.
Nolan loves Walmart. Nolan, show how much money you've already found. Show it. You found all that.
I found it.
Wait, so how much is it? How many cents is it?
Quarter, a penny, a dime.
It's so gross down
35. And you found all that in one aisle.
Let me count.
Well, I guess it's worth climbing around on the floor in Walmart then.
Is it though? 35 cents? Is it really?
I don't know.
40,
For him, it obviously is.
50 cents.
That's how you get money.
Oh, don't. Oh no. Nolan. Well, did you just find another penny and a dime?
How is it not?
It's not as what I saw. A quarter.
A quarter? Wow.
It's like $1 now.
What's 101 plus 5?
What do you think? What's 1 plus 5?
I have 106 cents.
Good job. I'm the worst mom ever. I actually told him to stop, but I don't want to make a scene. He is keeping himself entertained. And he's gonna have a bath tonight anyway. You found a quarter, can you get it?
I don't know how much money I got.
Let me see it all.
I found this all at Walmart. Daddy called Walmart. It's connected to a mall.
Yep, it's Walmart.
You don't trust me, okay? I want mommy to count it.
Okay, I don't want to touch. I don't want to touch it, to be honest with you.
I can.
Oh, Lila's so nice.
$2.07 under the shelves at Walmart. And I'm gonna buy candy with it.
Okay, what do you want?
I don't know. I had $2.07, but now I found another quarter in checkout, so now I have $2.32.
Uh-huh. Very
Um,
exciting.
Yeah.
And what'd you decide to do with it?
Save.
You're gonna save it for now?
Yeah.
Okay. He'll probably get candy somewhere else. What?
So,
Penny?
$2.44 total that they found on the
$2.44
Yeah.
between the two of them?
Yeah.
Wow.
We are at Luffenholtz Beach to check out some of the tide pools. Back there in the background you can actually see Lauren and the kids. They're already down there.
Yes, red one, start this.
Hey, don't try to pry him off. Just you can touch him if you want.
Found a starfish. Let me see it. Hold it up. Wow. Was it on a rock or what? Yep.
I found a lot.
Cool.
I got one for Kylie.
What'd you find?
I found a starfish.
It was in the sand?
Yeah.
Okay. Be very gentle with it and you should probably put it back now, okay? Set him back where he was.
I see his plant.
Yeah, put him right back where he was. What'd you find?
It's like a bunch of starfish doing big group hugs.
All those clams and a starfish?
Jump on it and bounce around on it again. You're getting your feet are really wet. To a lighthouse. We can't find the lighthouse. We're probably lost. I don't know. But it was kind of rough getting up here. We're headed back down. I finally decided to just consult Google Maps and I think we're finally going the right way. We're only a third of a mile away.
One day a month?
4 hours a month. We finally made it and we came to this fence. That says it's only open the first Saturday of each month from 10 to 2. I don't know why it didn't say that at the beginning of the trail.
It said nothing at the beginning of the trail.
It was really rough getting up here actually.
How big climb
And I don't know how
over?
many, I don't know how many miles it was. I thought it was like really quick and it was not quick and now we did.
Can we climb over?
No, we cannot.
Over. You're such a rebel.
It says right there on the sign, warning, all Pearsons are warned not to trespass on this property. So violators will be sent to jail. So
Yeah.
too bad, buddy.
You're gonna be prosecuted. It's just really frustrating because they could have made it so we could see it from a distance, but they didn't even do that. We can't see it at all. Can't even get a glimpse of it.